What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a little deep dive into a project called HiveMapper. If you like the content, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and let's jump right on in. So, what is HiveMapper? The HiveMapper network was launched in November 2022, is an open, global, and decentralized mapping network that uses AI to build a map based on driving we do every day. Thanks to its vibrant community of builders, HiveMapper network collects millions of kilometers of road-level imagery every week. So, basically what this does is you and I, the average person, buys a webcam. You take that webcam, you set it up in your car, and you just drive around. The webcam collects images. The images get uploaded to the HiveMapper server, and the HiveMapper team pays you and I, the contributors, honey tokens in return. It's a pretty cool little project. Here is their website. As you can see, most of the mapping is done in the United States, a little bit in Canada, Europe, and some Japan, a little bit in Australia. Total kilometers mapped, 143.7 million. Unique kilometers mapped, 8.5 million. Contributors, 60.7 million. They're in 2.7 thousand regions. And there's been a total of 13.29 million transactions. So HiveMapper is built on the Solana blockchain, which is one of the reasons why I'm bullish on this project. I think Solana blockchain projects are going to do very well this bull run. It is sitting at 151.4 million market cap. There is 10 billion max supply in tokens. Fully diluted market cap is 1.7 billion. Centralized exchanges, they have a few. Just recently getting the Coinbase listing. That is a double-edged sword, as you will, because now you can have your normal investors who only use Coinbase purchase the coin, but you're also slightly late to the game because Coinbase pumps the coin to astronomical levels right before it gets listed. So you've got a 20x pump right here from 1 cent to 20 cents. Actually 28 cents, so it's a 28x. It's holding a higher floor, which is good to see. That shows some strength there. So all of this looks decent. I'm not going to bat an eye at the Coinbase listing. It was bound to come eventually. It came a little bit sooner than I thought it was going to, but that's okay. Just keep that in mind that with the fully diluted market cap at 1.7 billion and a Coinbase listing already behind us, the potential returns are curbed a little bit. So, 100 to 200x might not be possible anymore. But we're going to take a look at that a little bit later on in the video. Let's go take a look at the tokenomics. So the tokenomics, like I said before, there's a 10 billion max token supply, and 40% of the allocation goes to the contributors. For rewards for mapping, which is actually pretty solid. A lot of times the team will take the vast majority of the allocation for themselves and leave very little for the community. And in this case, 40% is allocated. It's the contributors, but it's technically the community because the contributors in this case are the communities. All in all, the percentage of allocations here is pretty solid. Let's move on to the team. One thing I like about the team, well, first of all, they're doxed, which is good. The second thing is Ariel Seedman, CEO and co-founder, I believe was part of the Helium Mobile team. And that's what really caught my interest back in 2022. Full disclosure, I own 2 of these webcams. I purchased them back in 2022 when I first heard about the project. And knowing what Helium did and the success that it had in the last bull run, and that Ariel Seedman from their team of Helium moved over and started his own project, HiveMapper, was intriguing to me. And so I got in early, I bought a couple of webcams, and I've been contributing, as they would call it, to the map for over a year now. So all in all, I think the team's pretty solid. It's small, but they have some good experience there. So you might be asking, how do I buy a camera and what is the cost of a camera so that you can potentially start mapping yourself? Well, they list right now for $400 $49. That may or may not seem expensive to you, but let me give you my perspective on my personal experience. At today's prices, right now, without very much driving, I am making about $50 a week per camera on average. Some weeks are more, some weeks are a little less. So the return on investment's about 10 weeks, give or take. And anybody who knows or is familiar with the mining world in crypto, that is an extremely fast return on your investment. Now, you also have to take in mind that the deliveries are a little bit delayed right now. There's back order, so you're probably going to be waiting a few months in order to get your camera. So that's also something you've got to take into consideration when, thinking about purchasing one of these. So moving on to price prediction. I am going to play a short video, again from Token Metrics. This was a project that they ranked number 3 on their top 100 potential X low cap gems under $100 million in market cap. Now, this was a number of months ago in December. So keep in mind that the market cap is actually a little higher than 100 million at this point. But Token Metrics is very highly regarded in the space, and I think it will do everyone good to listen to see what he has to say about the project.
My humble opinion, we have found the next 100x. Obviously not financial advice. A project called HiveMapper. Yes, HiveMapper. When you find a project like this, you have to cut the music and let people know this is basically it.
I've covered this more than 1 year ago. HiveMapper, honey, and it is now running. But what is HiveMapper? It's an AI-powered, basically Google Maps for Web3. So in essence, you buy this dash cam, put it on your car, you drive around, drive to earn, and it's mapping roads and creating a decentralized mapping platform, kind of like Google Maps, and they pay you in tokens for doing it. I covered this, I believe, 1.5 years ago, and I said even back then, before it launched, this was the next Helium network.
My strategy, as mentioned, is similar to Helium. We'll have those same type of potential returns with this if you're in early.
So as you can see, he is very bullish on the project, and he, back in December, said it had 100x potential. Helium last bull market did about 166x in returns. So HiveMapper, in my personal opinion, will probably do something close to that. Now, it's already ran up 20x from 1 cent to right now it's sitting at about 18 cents. So you're losing a little bit of gains and X potential in that run up, but I still think 50 to 75x potential in gains on HiveMapper from this point forward. So if we look over here on market cap of, we can compare Honey token to the Helium token. I have set the parameters here for Helium's all-time high, which was in 2021. And if Honey token matches Helium's all-time high market cap of just over $5 billion, you will see that the Honey price will be $6.24, which is a 28.5x from today. Now, a 28.5x is nothing to scoff over. That is excellent returns in the matter of a 1.5-ish range. That being said, the market cap of the crypto market in general is going to go up by probably double or triple, maybe even a little bit more when it's all said and done. So I think that this $5 billion market cap of Helium last cycle should be considered lowballing it because of the entire crypto market's market cap higher this time around in the next bull market. So that being said, I think that the 50 to 75x that I mentioned earlier in the video is still in play and could be a target by the end of 2025. Investment strategy, would I buy it? At these current prices, I would still be buying the project. Once we get the next leg up, which I think is coming pretty soon, then I would hold back because the fully diluted market cap is going to be even bigger. The market cap itself is going to be bigger. And the potential for X's is just going to go down again from there. I still think that this is pretty early. Not a whole lot of people know about it yet in the crypto sphere as a whole. And I think that there's still a potential, and hear me out, a potential, not a guarantee, for some pretty big gains still. So when it's all said and done, this is something that I am investing into. I am not buying it personally on the open market. I am being paid by HiveMapper for mining in my car. So that is the way that I'm accumulating these tokens, these honey tokens. That being said, I think it's a good buy, and it is recommended, in my opinion, to have some in your portfolio moving forward into the next bull run, which, by the way, we're running out of time for. So make sure that your bags are packed because time is running out. That'll do it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.